Find the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and range of the following list. We will use the calculator to find these 5 values. The first thing we need to do is go to the Stat button and hit Enter. There we have a list of numbers. They have been put into the calculator prior to the problem, and we have listed them from smallest to largest. The reason we have done that is that we can see the mode much easier. It is not necessary, however, to have them in range from smallest to largest. Next, we hit the Stat button again, and then we hit the right arrow on the calculator to go to Calc. There, the first statement is 1 var stats. We hit Enter, and then hit Enter again to view those stats. The first value is X bar, and it equals 79.5. That is the mean of the set. Next is summation of X. That means that all the X's added together are 795, and that value is not one of the 5 that we need. Neither is the next value, which is the summation of all the X's squared. The next value, however, is the standard deviation. SX stands for standard deviation, and the next one is the population deviation. Some books use a standard, some books use population. We will use the standard deviation, and that will be 10.97. The next value in the list is n equaling 10, and that just tells us that we have entered 10 numbers. It's a good way to check to see if we've entered all of the numbers. The range is simply subtracting the smallest number, which is 63, from the largest number, which is 94. The range, therefore, is 31. Next is mode, and mode simply means the number that is written most often. Since 71 is the only number written twice, 71 is the mode. The last value we need is the median, and we will go back to the calculator to find it. The median is simply the middle number in the list, or the average of the middle 2 numbers if there is an even number of numbers. On the calculator, notice that there is an arrow next to the n equals 10. That means that there is more information below, and all we need to do is go to the down arrow and continue down. When we get there, we will see that the MED is equal to 80.5. That means median. And so the median is 80.5, and those are the values for the 5 that we need.